Lesson 21, reading practice number 6. Dear Dr. Fenton, the fact that there has been energy shortage for several years does not mean that you have to be content with insufficient lighting, period. You can obtain very good light by simply installing Winston energy, this is hyphen, savings lamps, the finest lamps manufactured today, paragraph. No other lamps for sale today can compare with Winston lamps, period. They get more light out of every watt than any other type of lamp, period. This means that you can cut down considerably on power usage without sacrificing the advantages of outstanding lighting, period. About the only thing should do is replace completely your present lamps with new Winston lamps, paragraph. There are Winston lamps for whatever residential lighting needs you may have, period. We suggest that you install Winston lamps immediately, period. You will be making a very wise move, period. Sincerely yours. Reading practice number 7. Dear Lieutenant Trenton, as President of the National Dental Schools, may I tell you how very glad we were yesterday when we were told that you will be able to take part in our meeting at Mountain Lake on the morning of July 15, period. I am confident this will be a very well attended meeting, period. Everyone will want to take advantage of the unique opportunity to hear you, paragraph. Whatever topic you select will certainly be accepted by the board of directors of the National Dental Schools, period. But may I suggest that topic like, open quotation, how to train outstanding dental assistants, paragraph, close quotation. Incidentally, comma, please plan to join Mr. and Mrs. Swift and several of our officers for dinner at the Yale restaurant on July 16. Period. Sincerely yours. Reading practice number 8. Gentlemen, the hardest way to find out about insurance is by accident. Period. There are hidden dangers in every operation. Period. They suddenly materialize into accidents when you least anticipate them. Paragraph. At the Continental Insurance Company, we work very hard to help our policyholders protect their businesses against accidents which suddenly arise. Period. We have helped thousands of businesses like yours whenever they needed insurance help quickly. Period. We confidently believe we could help you too. Paragraph. If you would like to find out more about the many advantages of obtaining your insurance from the Continental Insurance Company, we suggest that you write us. Period. We will be glad to send you several circulars that outline our policies in detail. Period. Better yet, call our insurance counselor, Miss Mary White at 555-9271. Period. Sincerely yours. Number 9. Dear Professor Brothers, ever since the United Food Store was established at 15 Park Street in 1930, it has been our policy to, paragraph number 1, do what is honest and to the best advantage of every purchaser. Paragraph 2, give outstanding values and fair treatment to everyone. Paragraph number 3, give every person the most value for his or her money. Paragraph 4, maintain the very highest possible food standards. Paragraph 5, give fast and efficient service. Paragraph, we think this policy is the reason why we have won the business of thousands of persons and why they order the food from us year after year. Paragraph. If you have not yet been in our store, we suggest that you buy your next food supply from us soon. Period. We are confident that once you do, you will decide that you do not want to shop elsewhere. Period. Yours very truly. Reading practice number 10. Mr. Quill, I am shipping to the Dallas office 300 copies of the enclosed circulars advertising our printing presses. Paragraph. It is of great importance that these circulars be mailed to our dealers by March 18. Period. Please see that the mailing is completed by that date. Paragraph. Thank you for attending to this important matter for me. Period. C.C. Cook.